Hello everyone, I Govinda Gahne, lecturer in mining department at Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai. Today I will discuss lecture number 8. The topic is mine illumination. In this chapter, the content is first one is introduction, second is technical terms lighting and photogrammetry. In the lighting photogrammetry, first is intensity, second is mean spherical candle power, third one is mean horizontal candle power, third one is illumination, fourth one lumen, fifth luminous efficiency, sixth reflection, then other topic general lighting arrangement and standard for mine lighting, then important guidelines with respect to luminance. So, first I will discuss to introduction. So, mine illumination refers to the lighting up of the mine. Surface mines are sufficiently illuminated by the sun in the day times, but need to be provided with some artificial illumination during the night times. But in case of an underground mines, artificial illumination is required right from the starting of the mine till its closure. This condition of complete darkness in any underground mine is quite similar to what we experience every day after the sunset. Then why do we need to have separate chapter devoted to mine illumination? Naturally, the question arises if we can apply the same solution that we follows every day's light up the underground mines with tube lights, CFL or LED lights at frequent location. The answer is no. The reason being methane gas which can ignite and cause an underground explosion with devastating result. Consequently, any illumination system must be designed to be either intrinsically safe or explosion proof. An intrinsically safe light source is one is which the current feeding the light has very little energy. So, what any short in the circuit will not produce a spark which can ignite the methane gas. In an explosion proof lamp, any explosion triggered by the lamp's electrical activity will be contained within the device. In addition, the device itself will not become not enough to cause an explosion. Then how is mine lighting unique from what is being used in the other industries? It is the low level of luminance which is usually not encountered in any other industry. In such condition, the eye is highly susceptible to glare, which will be dealt with later. Before the invention of flame safety lamp, naked lamps were used in underground coal and metal mines. Nowadays, workers in coal mines and a large number of metal mines are using the electric cap lamps. A flame safety lamp light up the mine without the danger of lighting inflammable gases, especially in underground coal mines. It is also a very convenient and handy tools for detecting the presence and the percent of fire damp in the underground coal mines. So, the next content is technical terms in lighting and photometry. So, some of the technical terms used in lighting and photometry are given as follow. First one is intensity. Intensity light is the relative amount of luminous energy given by any source and is measured in candles or candle power by denote CD. A light source generally gives different intensities in different direction. Hence, candle power does not convey the correct picture unless direction is specified. Next is mean spherical candle power. Mean spherical candle power MSCP is the average candle power of a lamp in all direction or the candle power of a uniform source given the same total flux of light. It is directly proportional to the total light given by the lamps and is measured by taking intensity reading in all direction. Next, mean horizontal candle power. Mean horizontal candle power MHCP is the average candle power of lamp in all direction in a horizontal plane passing through the center of the source and is usually obtained by rotating the lamp about a vertical axis. Illumination is generally measured in meter candles or foot candles or lux SI unit. 1 meter candle is the intensity of illumination on a surface 1 meter away from a source of 1 candle power. Illumination at the surface is inversely proportional to the square of the distance of the surface from the source of light and directly proportional to cos phi, where cos phi is the angle between the normal to the surface and the direction of the light rays. Illumination of a surface meter candle is equal to candle power of source into cos phi. Next is lumen. Lumen means Lm is the unit of light luminous flux emitted by a light source. Lumen emitted by a lamp is equal to M as Cp into 4 pi and 1 lux is equal to 1 lumen upon meter square. Next is luminous efficiency. Luminous efficiency expressed in lumen per watt consumed and is from 10 to 20 in model incandescent lamps, the higher value being for larger lamps. Next is reflection. When light falls upon a surface, part of it is reflected and a part is absorbed. In the case of a transparent body, majority of the light passes through. Only that part of light which is reflected is useful for illumination. A white surface is a good reflector or light, and in underground mines, to improve the lighting effect, the following places have to be whitewashed. Every shaft inset and shaft bottom or siding and every bypass which is in regular use. Then the top and bottom of every haulage plane, every regular stopping place, siding, landing, pass by and junction expect within 100 meter of the face. Every travelling roadways, every room and place containing any engine, motor or other apparatus and every first aid station below ground. The minimum amount of light required for reading, writing, etc. is 10 lumen per meter square. The light given off by 10 international candles at a distance of 1 meter from the work. Much more light than this is required for reading without strain. In a factory, in every part where persons are working or passing, illumination should be at least 65 lux. Next topic is journal lighting arrangement. So, we have to ensure the provision of adequate journal lighting arrangement during working hours. First, on surface, at places with insufficient natural light in every engine house, in the vicinity of every working shaft, at every open cast working, and at place where workers are employed. Then second is underground, at every shaft inset and shaft bottom or siding which is in regular use. Then in every travelling roadway in which 50 or more miners travel in any shift, and in every working stops in metalliferous mines. At every place on a haulage roadway at which tubs are required coupled, at every place on a haulage roadway at which tubs are regularly coupled or uncoupled or attached to or detached from a haulage rope. Next, at every place where mechanical filling of the tubs is being carried out. Next, at the top and bottom of every self acting incline which is in regular use. As per the Indian electricity rule, in every mines illuminated by electricity, one or more flame safety lamps or other lights approved by regional inspector should be maintained in a state of continuous illumination at all places where failure of the electric light at any time would be prejudicial to safety. Next, some silent points of the Indian electricity rules regarding lighting are: first one is, in case of a fault in a circuit, electricity must be switched off till the same has been rectified. Second is, the supply must be disconnected when the lamp is being charged. Next is, lamp holder must not be connected with any metallic part of a portable hand lamp. Next is, all electric lamps must be airtight and glasses completely sealed at places where gas exists. In coal mines, electric lighting from a source of supply external to the lighting unit may be used. First is, on any roadway or place ventilated by the intake air. Second, on any other roadways or place not within 2 cm of the nearest face. The arrangement of lighting in mines should as far as possible ensure the prevention of glare and eye strain. Next is standard for mine lighting. It is a well established fact that for safe and efficient working in underground mines, good lighting is necessary. Every country generally specifies their requirement regarding what constitute a safe mines lighting system, especially in underground gassy coal mines where methane emission are common. The minimum and maximum standard for illumination level are obtained from the laboratory experiment simulating both the mine environment and the working task. This experiment can be repeated in any country based on the mining task, mining environment and mining equipment to arrive at the required lighting levels. For any given visual task, the recommended level of lighting are specified in two ways. First, we define an absolute minimum light level at which any visual task can be performed at ease. In the second method, we define a range of level between a maximum and a minimum value for various mining tasks. The recommended standard of general lighting in underground and open cast mines are stipulated by DGMS, means Director General of Mine Safety, are given in this table. In table 1, recommended standard of general lighting in underground. So, you can see on table place and minimum average illumination level lux or lumen per meter square. So, first place is pit bottom, the level of illumination is 10, second is main junction is 15, roadways is 4.5, haulage engine room is also 4.5, then floor 10, drum winder 25, controller 20. The next table is recommended standard of general lighting in open cast mines. You can see on table the place area to be illuminated, the second is the manner in which it is to be illuminated, then minimum standard illumination in lux, then plane level in which illumination to be provided. So, the first one place is general working area as determined by the manager in writing. So, the minimum standard illumination in lux is 0.2 and the level or plane is at the level of the surface to be illuminated. Second is workplace of heavy machinery. The illuminated area is so as to be cover the depth and height through which the machinery of the rig operation. The lux is 5.0 and the level and plane is horizontal. Next is area where bulldozer or other tractor mounted machine works. The lux is 10, the level or plane is at the level of the crawler tracks. Next is place where manual works is done to be provided at the level of the surface on which such work is done is lux is 5 and the level plane is horizontal, and also for 10 lux for vertical. Next, place where loading, unloading or transfer loading of dumpers, truck or train is carried on, the lux is 3 and the plane and level is horizontal. Then operator cabins of machines or mechanism to be provided up to a height of 0.8 meter from the surface, the lux is 30 and the level is horizontal. At hand picking point along a conveyor belt to be provided up to a distance of not less than 1.5 meter from the picker, the lux should be 50 and the level is on the surface of the conveyor belt. Next is truck haulage roads to be provided at a level of the road, lux should be 0.3 to 3.0, the level is horizontal. Next, rail haulage track in the pit to be provided at the level of the rail heads, lux should be 0.5 and the level is horizontal. Next, roadways and footpaths from bench to bench, lux should be 3.0, level and plane is horizontal. Permanent path for use of person employed etc., lux should be 1.0 and level and plane should be horizontal. The next topic is important guidelines with respect to luminance, where traffic is light and mechanization is minimum, but general lighting is desirable because of safety consideration is 0.05 candle per meter square, where mechanized equipment normally operates 0.2 CD per meter square. Underground chamber precision work is not performed 10 CD per meter square. Next, underground chambers where precision work is being carried out 20 CD per meter square. Thank you to everyone.